I would like to introduce our latest set of designs that will be released on Friday. They are called Hairy Beary. Very cute designs for children's clothing, t-shirts, reading pillows, burp cloths, maybe on a beach towel, whatever should suit you. The designs are very colorful. As you can see, we have all the threads on the table and we have stitched a burp cloth. This is what you call a burp cloth. In South Africa, we would call this a dribble burp, and we would actually embroider the words dribble burp or good night or whatever we prefer also added to the design. The designs are 5 by 7 inch and 6 by 10 inch. For everyone that's a 6 by 10 inch, there is a 5 by 7 inch friend. We have used the low density as with all our designs, so that when it is finished, it is not a very hard, dense design. Look how cute this one is, staring at his kite. And I just love the expression on this one's face, with the little butterflies surrounding him. And wow, looking at the pond, isn't that just cool? And oh, look at my stomach sticking out here holding my balloons. These are really cute. You will receive 6 different little bears, as well as some elements and bears that are not on the grass, so that if you want to use them elsewhere, that will be cute as well. We made the dribble burp by using water-soluble stabilizer in the hoop, 2 layers, nice and tight. And then we put the dribble burp down on the stabilizer and pinned it down with 4 pins. And we also used this very inexpensive laundry bag. It's the dissolvable laundry bags that they use at the hospitals. So we would use that as a topper to save on our water-soluble stabilizer. However, if you have pieces of water-soluble lying around, that would have been just as good. That is to enable the design to stitch without the pile of the nappy, or what you call it, a diaper sticking through, or the toweling sticking through the embroidery. We have a little template here as well that you can use to place your design. This is an example of a printed out color chart to show you all the colors and the order of the colors. We hope that you are going to enjoy our little bear family called Hairy Bearies, and that you would post some pictures of your projects on the Facebook page. Thank you. Have a nice day.